This is on 80, near 180. It's actually on Water and Maiden. And that is a car that I'm assuming that water has brought the condensation from inside. I bet this car is just insane. Please tell me this person didn't have their, oh, I think they did have their window open. Oh my. That's inside their car. Yeah, this is not good. Oh, their car is lost. As are a whole bunch of others up and down Water Street. I'm at 88 Pine. I'm assuming they're in there trying to just do something to rebuild, clean up, get rid of something. Now I'm going to go over and hopefully be able to get at least somewhat close to 180. They, of course, have the streets blocked off. It's good to see the buses are running, though. And there is 180. I don't know if they'll let me over there by it, but we're going to try. It's all boarded up. Street lights are all still out. Look at the water pumping out of 180. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh wow. You can see inside a little bit. But this is our office. This is the water being pumped. Okay, that is crazy, crazy. They've now got the window or the doors boarded up. But you can see, not our normal office. I was going to see if I could come to the window and see anything inside. There's stuff inside, but can't really see it much. Just, you can tell it was inundated with water. Okay, I'm now going to try to go to the seaport.